Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Learn with GemPages video series. We all know that uploading custom fonts can make a big difference to your website. Custom fonts help maintain brand consistency and make your pages more unique and visually distinctive. They also give you more design flexibility, allowing you to achieve the exact look and feel you want. That's why today, we'll walk through how to add custom fonts to headings or text blocks using the GemPages V7 New Editor. Uploading custom fonts. With the GemPages V7 New Editor, there's no need to edit code or deal with complex interfaces. Step 1. Select the text element. Step 2. Once the Settings panel opens, click Fonts in the left sidebar. Step 3. Choose Upload Font. You can select from available fonts or upload your own fonts from Google Fonts. After uploading, your font will appear in the uploaded section. Note: currently, we support popular font formats such as TTF, OTF, WAF, and WAF2. And that's it. It's incredibly simple. Checking recent fonts. You'll also see a recently used fonts section showing the 3 most recently used fonts. This makes it easy to switch between fonts while designing. Just select a text block, open the font menu, and choose the font you want. You'll see the changes instantly in the editor. If you want to delete a custom font, don't worry. Step 1. Open the Fonts panel and scroll to find the font you want to remove. Fonts that are currently in use won't show the trash icon. Step 2. Click the trash icon next to the font you want to delete. A confirmation message will appear. Simply click Delete. When a font is deleted, it will be reverted to the font configured in global style. This information will also be displayed in the Delete confirmation pop-up. And that's how you upload and manage custom fonts. Don't forget to save and publish your page after making changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest tutorials from Learn with GemPages. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.